I have here the new HP001G Combi drill. It features a 13mm keyless chuck, it's a full metal chuck, large sine handle to resist the kickback, and it can be fitted with the depth gauge as well. Being a combi drill, we have the collar at the front to rotate between percussion, screwdriver and rotary only mode. It features a 2-speed gearbox with a slide switch on top to switch between the gears, gear 1 being the slowest, gear 2 being the fastest. Of course, it features a brushless motor and a forward and reverse switch on the side with the central locking position. Being Makita, it has a variable speed trigger and an LED light at the front. Full ergonomic rubberized grip, and the nice new feature of this machine, it has an electronic clutch. It also gives you a digital display, and that means in gear 1 you have 21 torque settings, and in gear 2 is 42 clutch settings. Standard belt clip on the side and a bit holder, and of course it's powered by the new 40 volt max battery.